In the beginning, before the formation of Earth, there was only darkness and the silent pulse. 4.6 billion years ago, gravity pulled dust and gas together, forming the violent cradle where Earth would one day emerge. The sun ignited with explosive energy, shaping the early solar system and clearing space for future planets. Chunks of rock crashed together, fusing, melting, and breaking apart in an endless storm of creation. This fiery orb was Earth's first form. Nothing like the world we know today. For millions of years, the young planet endured a cosmic bombardment that reshaped its surface again and again. As temperatures soared, heavy metals sank inward, creating Earth's core, still molten and powerful today. A colossal collision with a rogue planet blasted the bay into orbit, giving birth to the moon. The ring of shattered rock slowly merged, forming the moon that stabilizes Earth to this day. The Earth's surface remained a boiling ocean of lava, wrapped in poisonous gases and relentless heat. Volcanic eruptions filled the air with steam, carbon dioxide and ammonia, key ingredients for transformation. As Earth released its heat into space, the first solid crust began to form, a fragile skin over a violent world. The early crust was unstable, breaking and reforming as the young planet continued to evolve. This was the Hadrian Earth, one of the most extreme environments in the universe's known history. During the Hadrian era, temperatures reached unimaginable levels, enough to melt entire mountains. Slowly, steam began to accumulate, building the massive clouds that would eventually bring water to Earth. Endless storms delivered energy to Earth as early atmosphere, setting the stage for future chemical evolution. Cooling continued and the crust grew stronger, ready to support the next steps in the evolution of Earth. Earth's first tectonic plates emerged, stirring the planet's interior like a colossal engine. Plumes of magma burst through weak spots, constantly reshaping the surface. These early land masses were temporary, broken apart by heat and violent pressure. As the planet cooled further, volcanic steam condensed, gathering weight in the sky. Water attempted to fall, but Earth was still too hot to hold even a single drop. For millions of years, Earth remained shrouded in darkness, beneath a global cloud layer. But then, as heat escaped into space, Earth finally reached the tipping point. And for the first time in Earth's history, rain touched the ground. This rain would fall not for years, but for millions of years, shaping the planet's destiny. Gradually, water gathered in vast lowlands, forming the first outlines of future oceans. These newborn oceans would become the birthplace of life, and the next chapter in the formation of Earth. After the violent formation of Earth, massive and cool form of cooling planet, rain begins to fall for thousands of years, slowly shaping the earliest surface. In the long evolution of Earth, relentless storms crash across the young planet, carving deep valleys and filling ancient basins. Rivers of boiling water flow into giant craters, creating the first primordial pools. Over millions of years, these pools merge into vast oceans, the very oceans that will cradle life. From space, Earth transforms into a blue world for the first time. In the deep ocean, hydrothermal vents release minerals, essential for chemistry that will soon spark life. Simple molecules collide and combine in darkness, driven by heat and pressure. Step by step, Basic organic compounds begin forming more complex structures. The first primitive membranes appear fragile, but capable of protecting chemical reactions inside. Then something extraordinary happens. These early forms replicate. This replication marks the true beginning of life on Earth. Carried by ocean currents, early microorganisms spread across the planet. They thrive near hydrothermal vents, feeding on minerals instead of sunlight. These ancient microbes quietly reshape Earth. Long before complex life appears, early genetic material begins forming, allowing life to evolve with greater complexity. And under the young sun, Earth becomes a dynamic cradle, ready for even greater changes. Then photosynthetic bacteria emerge, tiny organisms with world-changing potential. They release the first oxygen, beginning a planetary makeover that will reshape the atmosphere. Slowly, Earth's toxic sky transforms into an oxygen-rich atmosphere. This oxygen revolution sets the stage for larger, more complex organisms. Some single-celled organisms begin forming colonies, a stepping stone toward multicellular life. These colonies develop specialized roles, the first hint of biological teamwork. Eventually, true multicellular organisms emerge, marking a new landmark in the evolution of Earth. They move, feed, and respond, showing the earliest behaviors seen in living creatures. Oceans grow busier as countless new species fill the water. With sunlight reaching shallow seas, life begins to flourish in new environments. Generation after generation, these organisms evolve, adapting to Earth's ever-changing conditions. The first photosynthetic bacteria emerged, tiny architects in the formation of Earth's breathable atmosphere. With every bubble of oxygen they release, the planet quietly transforms. These microbes begin a revolution, reshaping the oceans and the sky alike. Slowly, the oxygen they produce accumulates, altering Earth's chemistry forever. A new balance forms, one that sets the stage for more complex life. Oxygen reacts with iron in the oceans, painting ancient rocks with a deep red signature. These banded iron formations stand today as evidence of this turning point. And with more oxygen came the ozone layer, a shield from deadly UV radiation. Under this protection, life gains the freedom to grow in new directions. Single-celled organisms begin working together, paving the way for multicellular life. Cooperation becomes survival, and complexity finally has room to evolve. Cells specialize, creating the earliest tissues in Earth's long biological story. These soft-bodied organisms represent nature's first experiments with form and structure. For the first time, life can move with intention, not just drift. Multicellular life spreads, reshaping ecosystems across the oceans. Bioluminescence appears, glowing like stars in the deep sea. Diversity rises as evolution tests countless new forms. In the quiet darkness, evolution works patiently, sculpting complexity over millions of years. The first body plans appear: front, back, symmetry and structure. With mouths and mobility, early predators changed the rules of survival. For the first time, Earth has food chase, relationships that drive rapid adaptation. Life learns to crawl along the seafloor, exploring new environments. These early animals lay the foundation for the entire evolution of Earth's future species. Oceans become bustling worlds, filled with new life and new opportunities. Jellyfish-like organisms drift gracefully, mastering the art of movement. A dramatic increase in biodiversity sweeps across the oceans. Predators and prey spark an evolutionary arms race. Shells evolve, nature's first armor in a world growing more dangerous. Creatures learn to navigate the seafloor, shaping underwater ecosystems. Vision emerges, giving life a powerful new tool to survive. Dense forests of algae rise, feeding the growing marine world. Early animals form communities, learning the strength of cooperation. Even the deep sea, once lifeless, becomes a cradle for strange new species. The first fish appear, streamlined pioneers of future evolution. Fins transform into powerful engines, pushing life forward. Some fish begin exploring shallower waters, preparing for a world beyond the sea. Silhouette zones become evolutionary hotspots, filled with endless experimentation. And then it happens. Limbs take shape, hinting at the bold leap. As the Earth evolved, the age of dinosaurs began, a time when giant creatures roamed freely. Massive herbivores dominated the land, shaping the landscape and ecosystems. Predators, fierce and agile, maintained the balance of life on early Earth. Even in the harshest environments, new life found its way, illustrating the resilience of Earth's evolution. The skies were ruled by flying reptiles, showcasing the diverse evolution of Earth's species. Water ecosystems thrived alongside terrestrial giants, contributing to the complexity of Earth's life forms. Volcanoes reshaped the land, repeatedly reminding us how Earth's formation was an ongoing process. And then, a cosmic event altered the course of evolution forever. A massive asteroid impact. The impact triggered extinction, wiping out most dinosaurs and reshaping ecosystems. From this devastation, a new chapter in Earth's evolution began, paving the way for mammals. These tiny survivors adapted quickly, exploiting niches left vacant by giants. As millions of years passed, evolution favored intelligence and adaptability, leading to primates. Early humans emerged, part of the ongoing story of Earth's formation and evolution. Harnessing fire marked a turning point, a milestone in the evolutionary journey of our species. Tool-making reflected both adaptation and ingenuity, key traits in Earth's evolutionary narrative. Cooperation and strategy allowed early humans to thrive, continuing the legacy of life on Earth. Throughout millions of years, Earth's climate shifted, influencing the path of evolution. Migration enabled humans to explore new territories, breeding life across continents. Migration enabled humans to explore new territories, spreading life across continents. Art and communication emerged, capturing humanity's growing connection to Earth's story. Earth itself continued to change. Mavens rising rivers, carving valleys, an ongoing testament to its formation. These fertile lands supported civilizations, showing the direct link between Earth's evolution and human life. Farming transformed societies, illustrating how humans adapted to Earth's evolving ecosystems. Settlements grew along water sources, highlighting the importance of Earth's natural resources. Exploration by water connected communities, fostering innovation and culture. Through earthquakes, eruptions, and floods, life adapted again and again, proving resilience on Earth. Landscapes evolved, shaping migration paths and survival strategies. Earth's formation provided the soil, water, and climate essential for agriculture and civilization. Civilization emerged, yet every human achievement remains connected to Earth's evolutionary story. And so, the age of dinosaurs gave way to mammals and humans, completing another chapter in the grand evolution of Earth. Volcanic eruptions may seem destructive, but they create fertile soils and shape ecosystems. From destruction comes life. Change drives evolution on Earth, both for nature and species. Millions of years after the eruption, life flourishes, reminding us how Earth evolves continuously. Even the fiercest natural events feed the cycle of life, reinforcing lessons from Earth's ongoing formation. Adaptation allows life to survive, thrive, and evolve, just as Earth has for 4.6 billion years. Every species finds its niche, demonstrating resilience across Earth's evolution. Water reshapes landscapes, carving paths over ends, a slow but powerful force. These changes fuel ecosystems, highlighting the link between Earth's formation and life. Earth's climate and geology collaborate to nurture life. From eruptions to fertile soils, change is the engine of evolution on Earth. Even in extreme heat, microscopic life thrives in Yellowstone, proof that life adapts. These heat-loving organisms survive where most life cannot, showing the power of evolution. Earth's early formation involved extreme conditions, yet life emerged and endured. Resilience and adaptation are lessons written in the story of Earth's evolution. Even the harshest habitats support ecosystems over time. Life not only survives, but flourishes when conditions shift. Every organism, big or small, plays a role in the grand evolution of Earth. This balance between geology and biology is part of Earth's formation process. From microscopic to massive life, survival is a testament to Earth's evolutionary power. Adaptation ensures continuity, echoing 4.6 billion years of Earth's formation and evolution. Our ancestors left marks that reveal humans are part of a much larger story. The story of Earth's evolution. From primitive beings to modern societies, humans are a recent addition to Earth's 4.6 billion year timeline. Civilizations rely on Earth's resources, highlighting our dependence on this ancient planet. We adapt and modify, but ultimately, we are shaped by Earth's formation and evolving systems. Urban life exists thanks to fertile soils, Rivers and climates formed over eons. Every act of stewardship connects us to the lessons of Earth's evolution. From molten rocks to thriving ecosystems, humans are part of an extraordinary journey of formation and evolution. Understanding our place inspires care, curiosity, and respect for this unique planet. The story of Earth's formation and evolution continues every day, shaping life and inspiring exploration. If you want to uncover more mysteries of our planet and the universe, subscribe and join us on this incredible journey through time. From the first formation of Earth to human societies, tectonic movement continued to sculpt the planet.